Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting mixed reality on Quest 2 now. Put the headset on in open settings, enable pass-through and experimental features so the cameras accept environment input. Once done, update firmware if prompted. This fixes tracking and pass-through latency. Make sure your play area is well lit and place simple markers for floor level and boundary calibration. Connect the headset to the Oculus app and confirm Wi-Fi, then launch the Mr. app or creator to begin the capture pipeline. Now focus on accurate tracking and camera mapping. You should run Guardian and set the floor level precisely so virtual objects sit on real surfaces. Next, fine-tune IPD and headset fit because small shifts break alignment. Clean cameras and tighten straps for steady tracking. In your Mr. application, create anchors or reference points and align virtual objects to those world coordinates. Then lock transforms to prevent drift. If you need higher fidelity, increase camera pass-through quality in apps. You're finishing the Mr. session setup. Walk through the space and check occlusion layers, shadows, and lighting so virtual content feels anchored. Adjust pass-through brightness and contrast to match ambient light. Record a 30-second test to confirm sync between head motion and virtual objects. Look for drift, ghosting, or stutter. If problems appear, reboot the Quest, rerun Guardian calibration, and reattach anchors. As a key troubleshooting tip, reset the Guardian and remap anchors first. It solves most alignment and drift issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.